The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 3 Torx screws that secure the footwell panel to the glove box assembly. Remove the bottom panel from the glove box assembly. Disconnect the light from the panel. Remove the air duct by pulling down and releasing the catch. Optionally, you can uninstall the air duct sensor by rotating and pulling. This will give you some extra room to remove the old filter. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1213C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the passenger side of the car. Reinstall the housing panel. Reinstall the air duct by securing the clip first. Reconnect the footwell light. Reinstall the footwell panel by lining up the air duct openings and the 2 back tabs. Reinstall the bottom screws.